Hey guys, I have an any day deal for you for laundry items. Go ahead and clip this coupon for $5 off your $15 purchase of all Snuggle, Purex, and Persil. So for our first scenario, you're going to need to clip the 5 off 15 and then go ahead and clip this dollar cash back on all. So throwing 3 of these in your cart, you'll pay $15 minus the $5 digital coupon. That's $10 out of pocket. And then you're going to get $3 cash back. So that's like you're only paying $7 for 3 bottles of all free and clear. Or you can use the 5 off 15 store coupon towards some Snuggle and some Persil. So go ahead and clip this coupon for $2 cash back on Snuggle. Clip this cashback offer of earn $1 back on Persil, and grabbing one of these Snuggles priced at $6.35 and grabbing 2 Persil priced at $5.50 each would be $11, plus your $6.35 on Snuggle equals $17.35. Taking off our $5 digital coupon, you will pay $12.35 out of pocket. After that, you're going to get $4 cash back, the $2 cash back from Snuggle, and then you're going to get $2 cash back from 2 bottles of Persil. So after that's subtracted, it's like you're only paying $8.35 for 2 bottles of Persil and 1 big bottle of liquid fabric softener. And guys, that's a great deal. That's an any day deal. You don't even need a 5 off 25 because we got that 5 off 15. So see what you can pull together today. And I will be hitting y'all up with some 5 off 25s. Talk to y'all later. Bye.